Polyester. Original LOL surprise design. Storage Table and Ottomans are printed with fun and bright graphics featuring kid-favorite LOL surprise dolls and collectibles. Tabletop features Cosmic Queen, Queen Bee, Miss Punk, Pup Bee and #squad goals. Functional storage design. Table and Ottomans have removable lids that are the perfect place to store kids' toys, games, books and other clutter around the house. Recommended use. Place these multi-function storage tables and ottomans in kids' bedrooms, playrooms and living spaces to give your little ones a place to do arts and crafts, homework and even eating. Perfect for kids ages 3+. Product details. Table measures, 23L×19D×23H, Ottomans, 11L×13D×11H. Padded polyester nylon seat and tabletop. Weight capacity 81 pounds. No assembly required. Ready to use, just open up table and ottomans and place lid on. Collapsible design is perfect for storing when not in use. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for traveling. Slim and easy to pack when disassembled. Convenient and tidy, BC Toys store inside, when on vacation.